Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, we are going to be guiding you through how to change your appearance in Real Boxing 2. Real Boxing 2 allows players to fully customize their boxer so they can fight in style inside the ring. First of all, launch open Real Boxing 2 on your Android or iOS and wait for the game to load completely. From the home page of Real Boxing 2, go ahead and tap on the Shop button at the bottom center. From the Shop menu, click on Appearance from the bottom. Inside Appearance, select one of the appearances you want to change to. Once you find the appearance you'd like to change to, click on the cart icon right underneath your selected option. Now click on the Buy button. Some appearances requires you to purchase with diamonds, whereas some are required to be purchased with coins. Select any one appearances option and click Buy. So after you do that, you will be able to change your appearances in Real Boxing 2. After your store refreshes next, you will then be able to apply the changes to your boxer. You can also go to the boxers menu at the bottom and you can find other character appearances for your boxer. Tap the Buy option right underneath the character swiping and you'll then be able to change the boxers as well. So that is how you can easily change your appearances in Real Boxing 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.